We are going to do section 6.1, which is solving inequalities using addition and subtraction. Make sure that you have your title jotted down for yourself. We're going to start out with the problem x minus 5 is greater than negative 3.5. We're going to solve these very similar to how we solved equations back in chapter 3. You want to add 5 to both sides of your inequality so that you get your x all by itself. So that we will have x, bring down your inequality symbol, is greater than, and then 5 minus 3.5 is 1.5. And we're supposed to graph our solution. Well, on my number line, I can put a 1 and a 2 down. 1.5 is going to be in between those two. So I'm going to put an open circle because it's greater than. And I need all numbers bigger than 1.5, so I'm going to put an arrow to the right. We have the problem x minus 3.8 is less than 1. Means that we are adding 3.8 to both sides. And you will have x is less than, that's 3.8 minus 1, so you have 2.8. So what we can do on a problem like this is we could say this is 2, this is 3, 3.8 is going to be close to 3, and so we'll put an open circle, but this time it's less than. So I need all numbers to the left of that open circle. If I have my variable on the right, I can still solve the problem like we have before. Subtract 7 on both sides. So I have 2 is greater than or equal to x. But sometimes students like to have things flipped around so that the x is on the left and their numbers on the right. And that means we also have to flip the inequality symbol around. So here I would have 1, 2, and 3 on my number line. Put a closed circle because it's an or equal to 2 with my arrow going to the left. B plus 7 is greater than 3. Subtract 7 on both sides. So we find out B is greater than a negative 4. Be careful on your number line that as you're putting down negative 4, negative 3, and negative 5, that you have your numbers going in the right direction. We're going to have an open circle on negative 4 and all numbers greater than, so to the right. I really only need one number on the left, one number on the right with the number in between. I don't need any more numbers on the number line than that. You're checking a bag at an airport. Bags can weigh no more than 50 pounds. Your bag weighs 16.8 pounds. Find the possible weights, W in pounds, that you can add to the bag. I want you to write an inequality for this. So we have our bag that weighs 16.8 pounds, and we want to know how much can we add to it so that it is no more than, meaning it could be equal to, the 50 pounds that we are told. 16.8 plus W less than or equal to 50. So then we will subtract our 16.8 on both sides, and we'll find out that W is less than or equal to, let's see if I can do the subtraction here. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 4 minus 1, 3. So 33.2, and then we have to tell it in pounds. So we have all weights less than or equal to 33.2 pounds. That's the end of 6.1. Good luck on your homework.